got us a 2018 Dodge Demon. Just came in. Fresh. We're gonna put a KOOKS complete system on. KOOKS, K-O-O-K-S, bolt-on system. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like before. This is what it sounds like before. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. There's a Demon logo. That's what it sounds like before, guys. There's sound decibels on it. Again. 116. This is the KOOKS system. Right here. Looks like a dead body. Because the Demon's gonna kill everything else. As it always does. So we'll put this system on and let you guys hear it. Enjoy. All right, guys. So here's a 2018 Dodge Demon. As you guys can see, one of my favorite cars of all time. I will have one soon. If you guys agree, make sure you hit that like button. If you don't agree, hit the like button. All that stuff, hit the like button anyways. It's got factory converters there and there. Then it's got a aftermarket KOOKS system we put on, K-O-O-K-S, especially made for this car. It's got the X-pipe right there. It's got the mid resonators there that comes on it. Then 3-inch system all the way back, and then the what do you call them? The flaps automatically come on this system, and you just add them in. You just add the factory stuff to it there and there. But it doesn't. They're actually dummies, as you can see. So it keeps it wide open the whole time. There is no flaps in the new system. There. Then it's 3-inch pipe all the way back into some rear resonators. There. And there. And then it has quad tips out the back. Just to complete it. Looks phenomenal. Black tips. There and there. There's the old system that we cut off right there. And the Demons come with black tips. You don't see these black tips all the time. That's the old system, the new system. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Whoa, it's quieter. Why? Sound decibels? Yeah, 114. It was 116 before. It's louder though. It's deeper.
It's deeper. It's just not.
It's not loud. It's more throaty.
Yeah.
Huh, that's surprising. She's alive! It sounds so good. It's smooth. It's so smooth. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Dodge Demon. Boom, 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 boom. 400 miles, guys, on it. That's insane. Okay, there's a badge. It's even on the tires, somewhere right there.